How to create some pretty impressive video clips. That's what we're talking about today. Hi, this is Frank Buck, and this is the place to be if you want to get organized and make it look easy. The makers of FlexClip reached out to me, and I want to tell you up front the only thing I'm getting out of this is a complimentary account. They're not paying me anything, but I like what I saw, and I think it offers an easy way for you to create a promotional video for your school, business, church, civic organization, an upcoming wedding, a birthday celebration, or any special event or anything that you want to promote. You can do some pretty impressive things for free. The best way that I know to describe FlexClip is that it's like Canva for video. You choose a template, you modify it for your needs, and you export it. So what I'm going to do today is to show you how I went about selecting and modifying a template, what my completed project looked like, and then I was able to export it and use it. And you'll also see what you can get with the free plan, as well as the capabilities and cost paid plans. If you're listening to the audio version of this episode, and if you like what you hear me talking about, come over to the post at frankbuck.org to watch the video, or come over to the YouTube channel. So to start, we're going to go to flexclip.com and create an account. Everything is browser-based. There's nothing to download, and immediately you see templates that you can use. You can search for a topic. I chose just the first template there and was immediately taken to a screen to click and customize that template for my needs. So let me play the template as it is before I customize it. Okay, so that was the template. So now let's look at what I did to make this my own project. From the page of templates, I clicked the one that I wanted. I chose the size that I wanted. Now, you'll probably want 16 by 9 if this is going to be for YouTube or for your computer screen, but you could also have vertical video or a square. Customizing the slides is very intuitive. What you're seeing is my first attempt with no instruction at all. Click on any text block and start replacing their text with your text. I wanted to insert my own logo. So to do that, I clicked on the icon that they had and chose the replace menu at the top. Now I was able to navigate to my logo saved on my computer and select it. I was then able to click and drag the size of the object to show the full logo. The first slide went from this to this. But notice that you don't see my logo on that slide, at least not yet. You see, as you go from scene to scene, you're not just seeing static slides. The elements move and build on the slide. So it really does become a movie. So a fraction of a second later, that logo would have appeared. Here's another slide from the template. And here's what it looked like after I clicked and changed the wording. And here's one more slide from the template. I replaced their wording with my wording. And I could have clicked on each of the images and select images from my computer. When you're done, export your template. With mine, it took about 2 minutes to process and download. Now you have a video. Would you like to see mine? Here it is. And see, this was just my first attempt with no instruction. This is something that you can do easily. FlexClip does have a free plan. You can create up to 12 projects. They will have that FlexClip watermark, as you would probably expect. With paid plans, as you would expect, you get more options, such as removing the watermark, the ability to make longer presentations, to make more presentations. But for your own needs, to have just something neat for a birthday celebration, something neat for your own organization, this is pretty good. If you use Canva, you know how handy it is to not have to start with a blank page. You use a template and you start making your changes and you export, and FlexClip is the video equivalent of that. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure and like the video over on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you're not an email subscriber, come over to frankbuck.org and join today. Thanks for stopping by today. This has been Frank Buck helping you get organized and make it look easy.